Wish your mind wrapped in a rap to rap.
Everybody, hey, what's up? I'm Possible in France, in Strasbourg. So far this trip has been amazing, and now we are enjoying my last hours before I fly back. Everybody, there's not gonna be an open door, bro. We're gonna climb, no problem. This construction area, it's always illegal to... You hear this? Looking for time.
Oh yeah!
Oh, you fucking pants!
This is the risk of your job.
No problem. Vlogging 2 times at the same time. We'll buy new pants, no problem. Sponsored by I Am Possible. Already coming in here, it's a lot. If we get to one of these rooftops, as you can see, this is gonna be awesome. I love this. That's not the usual tourist experience. Oh shit! Yeah, I'm just gonna buy everything new when we come back up. Oh shit.
Go.
Go, I will film you. Oh shit, yeah, like man. Epic. Oh shit. Let's try. Yo, maybe I do a little drone. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. I'm just super, you know? Oh shit, epic. Okay, this one is like library. You just come and you walk through the door. Everything is open. If it falls, no problem. I wanted this shot, so boom, time lapse. Let's see other stuff for everybody. You have to come up.
Seize the moment, try to freeze it and own it, squeeze it and hold it. We consider these minutes golden.
Okay, let's see if the camera is still there. It's still there, alive, working like never before. But
Seize the moment, try to freeze it and own it, squeeze it and hold it. We consider these minutes golden. Maybe they'll admit it when we're gone. Just let our spirits live on through our lyrics that you hear in our songs, and we can.
That was the best conclusion. Okay, everybody. Also, don't complicate your life, because sometimes, and a lot of times, the doors are fucking opened. Okay, that's it.